In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around an image or object in Microsoft Word, making your documents look more professional and visually appealing. Whether you're working on a report, a flyer, or any document that includes images, understanding how to effectively wrap text can significantly enhance the layout and readability of your document. First things first, let's dive into the very beginning of the process. To start with, you'll need to locate the Windows Start menu on your computer. It's usually found at the bottom left corner of your screen, characterized by the Windows logo. Once you've found the Start menu, it's time to search for Microsoft Word. Simply type Word into the search bar that appears when you click the Start menu. The search results should quickly populate, showing Microsoft Word among the top options. Go ahead and click on Microsoft Word to open the application. Upon opening Microsoft Word, you'll be greeted with the Word Home screen. Here you have the choice to click on a blank document to start from scratch, or select any of the recent documents if you're continuing a previous task. This step is your gateway to beginning or continuing your word processing journey. Now, let's get to the crux of today's tutorial: wrapping text. To successfully wrap text around an image or object in your Word document, you first need to add or select the image object within your document. Click on the image or object that you want to wrap text around. Doing so will select your image or object, making it the focus for the next step. Once your image or object is selected, you will notice a layout option that appears. This is where the magic of text wrapping unfolds. In the layout options, there's a variety of text wrapping styles you can choose from. Each option serves a different purpose and can significantly affect the look and flow of your document. The options include square, tight, through, top and bottom, behind text and in front of text. To understand these options a bit more, square and tight both wrap the text around the image but in slightly different manners based on the image's shape. Through wrapping is similar to tight but allows the text to fill in shapes within the image if the background is transparent. Top and bottom place text above and below the image without wrapping text on the sides. Behind text sends the image behind the body of text, enabling you to place text over the image. In front of text, conversely, places the image on top of the text, covering any text in its space. Choosing the right wrapping option will depend on the layout you're aiming for and the nature of your document. Experiment with these options to find the perfect fit for your needs. Remember, Microsoft Word offers you the flexibility to adjust these options as many times as necessary to achieve the desired look, so don't hesitate to try different wrapping styles. Now, after selecting your preferred wrapping option, you might want to adjust the positioning of your image further. You can easily do this by clicking and dragging the image to the desired location within your document. Microsoft Word will automatically adjust the text to wrap around the image according to the wrapping option you've chosen. This process not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your documents, but also improves readability and proper utilization of space, giving your documents a neat and organized look. Wrapping text around images or objects in Microsoft Word is a simple yet powerful tool that can transform your documents from plain to professional. To wrap up, I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of text wrapping in Microsoft Word. Whether you are working on a simple project or a complex report, understanding how to effectively use the text wrapping feature can greatly enhance your document's presentation. Take this knowledge, play around with the different options, and see how it changes the dynamic of your documents. Happy document crafting!